So you've imported all your historical data in Reveal, and now you're wondering if the new data is coming in correctly and it's updating daily. Well, let's see where you can actually have a look at that. Let's go into Store Settings, Import, and we have two different sections in here, Manual and Automatic. In Manual, we will see what happened if someone, let's say your developer, imported new feeds by pressing on these buttons here, import for each JSON feed. And on the automatic part, we get to see what happened automatically, so any daily automated imports. If you see a green circle in here, then all is good. If you see it orange, it's probably work in progress, so probably it's happening as you're looking at it. And if you're seeing red, then something is off, and you will have actually more information in here. Like, for example, you see this order feed was processed, the status is done, it's on green, however, there is a warning, and it's telling you that you've got all these orders imported out of the total number of orders. So looking into more details, you get to see more details of the warning. If it's going to be a red circle, then you're going to see details of the error. So just have a look at that. If it's a red circle, just understand if the process stopped at some point or if it's just the very last thing that you need to look at. And just have a talk with your developer, or if you're unsure, just reach out to our support team. If you don't see created that and started that for the day that you are checking, or maybe let's say yesterday's date, so one day behind, then I suggest ensuring that the daily import is actually activated. And we do so by going to Store Settings, General, Imports, and have a look that the daily is enabled. And in this case, it's not. It's disabled. So you're going to need to speak with your developer, make sure that the customer feed, product category feed, product feed, and order feed URLs that you have in here are actually set for the daily updates. And once they confirm that and everything is with green light from their end, just enable this, decide on the time of the day when you want to have this daily import running, and save.